Kinetic energy, watch how the momentum applies.
In this video, you will find out why it's different when you tickle yourself and when someone else tickles you. We are going to test these three science facts about tickling. And of course, we will do it the fun way. Shh. By the way, get ready to laugh. Welcome, Extreme Laugher. Let's go!
But to understand the whole picture, we have to start with fact number 1. Why are these exhaust pods so sensitive? It's not a coincidence. All these places have two things in common. First, a high number of nerve endings right under the skin. Second, evolutionary vulnerability. The neck hides major blood vessels. The armpits, groin and ribs are the weakest parts of the body, protecting vital organs. And our feet? They are crucial for running away. Evolutionary theory says that tickling in childhood is actually defense training. When parents tickle a kid on the neck or belly, the kid automatically curls up into a ball to protect those weak spots. It's a playful way to learn defense reflexes. So evolutionary instinct to run away really works. Expect it's summer break and he is running straight towards school.
That makes sense. So let's test. Science fact number 2. There are two types of tickling. According to a study from 1897 by Stanley Hall and Arthur Olin, the first category called nismesis, which is like tickling, like sliding a feather across your skin. Time to test it.
I want you to break that gel.
I want you to be the man.
What about a hair? A blade of grass? It works. What about a box? It works. Fact confirmed. It doesn't make you laugh. You can actually do it yourself. And it can give you goosebumps. Apparently, it is evolutionary reflex protecting our body from parasites and bugs.
Wait, so should I feel like a parasite?
Alright, so what about the second category of this study? Heavy pressure tickling on sensitive spots.
Like the neck, armpits, feet and ribs?
Exactly. Supposedly, it causes uncomfortable, laughter and crazy body movements.
Then we have to test it. For science, of course.
Of course. Only mammals experience this kind of tickling.
Humans, primates, and even rats. And finally, the coolest part, fact number 3. You can't tickle yourself.
Mission failed. We'll get him next time.
Yep, but then nothing happens. It's all because of how our body works and the part of our brain called the cerebellum. It already knows the exact timing, force and path of our hand. It sends a signal ahead of time to the somatosensory cortex.
You know that.
And turns off the reaction before you even touch yourself. But when someone else touches you, it's a total surprise and the brain sounds the alarm. Time for some real testing. Mom, try to tickle your neck, your feet. Nothing. Dad, what about you? Nothing. Theory is confirmed.
So do you think the theory is confirmed?
Yes.
Maybe we could try next time some challenge with VR game like this on kayak. If you like it.
No.
So okay. And what do you think? Would you like the next video with kayak tickle challenge?
Yes.
No.
So, we just put these 3 science facts to the test. What do you think? Are you going to try it yourself?
And if you prefer watching other people tickle,
Check out this video where we try to play a game while getting tickled at the same time. Check out this video